So you do 3 divided by 3.
Did I just that up?
Yeah, you did, because you want to write like this.
Bruv.
8, 1, 2, 5.
To the y9. Right.
Now, don't let what you don't know
Stop you from what you're doing. You're done now.
You're done though.
Step 1, reciprocal.
Reciprocal, yeah?
Flip it. Get rid of that minus, because
Yeah,
the
yeah.
minus.
Like that, bro.
1, 2,
1, 2,
5, y9
9
over 8 x
to
cubed.
the cube. But that's still to the power of 2
2
over
over
3.
3.
Right.
So now we got to do that.
Numbers with numbers, letters with letters.
Yeah, but first remember we got to do that flower power nonsense, innit?
Okay.
Because he's giving us our complications, bro.
Is that on the whole thing or just
Nah,
do you do
nah.
it on the individual ones? Like, do you do the flower power on the y to the 9 flower power, x to the 3 flower power?
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
the numbers, so the
Flower power.
1, 2, 5 is still to the power 2, 3, and the 8 still to the power 2, 3. Then you flower power the letters.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone is an individual.
Yeah, so everything gets flower powered. So everything.
But you're doing it one by one.
Yeah. That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
So,
That's the one.
but yeah,
So-
1, 2, 5, 2 to
To
the
the-
2 to the 2 to the.
So 1 to the 5.
I know how to do it. Wait,
Cube root.
1. No, yeah.
Cube root of 1, 2, 5.
So you get 1, 2, 5
Yep.
cube root times by 2 to the power of 2.
To the power of 2.
That's a whole on one thing. So
Yep.
first, let me do that. That's f***ing cube root is 5. Yeah, it must be in it. Yeah.
Yep.
5 squared is 25, right? So
Mhm.
I'm gonna put that there for 1 second. We'll come back to you, rude boy. Now, y9 brackets to the power of 2 to the 2 to the 3. So that is the f***ing flower power, yeah. So is it? Yeah,
5, yep.
yeah. So we're doing a cube root.
You sure?
Wait, 1 second.
No, you're just doing the powers. So that's
Power
y.
of power rule.
That's pi y to the 9 times 2 to the 3.
2 over 3, yeah.
9 times 2 over 3. 2, and that's
So you do the cube root of 9, which is.
No.
nah. You done it wrong. It's this one. It's that one, man. So you just
Oh
do the
yeah,
power.
yeah,
It's the
yeah.
power of power rule.
But when you catch up, tell me what the number is.
Alright, come on.
What's 9 to 2 to the times 2 to the 3?
9 times
1.5.
1.5.
No, 6.
You heard that phrase, divide by the bottom times by the top?
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's when you're doing a number times a fraction. So
Cool.
this, divide by the bottom times by the top.
9 divided by 3 times 2 is 6.
That's the one.
So it's y6. Now,
How'd you get that again? How'd you get a 6 again?
divide by the bottom and you times by the top. So you do 9 divided by 3, which is
3.
3, and then you times by the 2. And you do the same thing for the
Chant
next
it in
one.
your head. Divide by the bottom times by the top.
Divide
Divide by the bottom times by the top.
Divide by... That's a
6 in it.
chant.
8 cube root,
It's 2, obviously.
then square that.
Yeah, that's
So
4.
that's 4. Circle this. Last one, x to the 3.
3 divided by
cube
3 is
root
1,
to the 2
times 2 is 2.
equals-
So you do 3 divided by 3.
Did I just that up?
Yeah, you did, because you want to write like this.
Bruv.
Don't worry, I did that first time. Don't worry. we did, bro.
X bracket, no, x to the 3 bracket 2 to the 3. And then you times by the 3 and then divide by the top.
No. Divide by the bottom, times by the top.
Divide by the bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Oh,
And then?
what? Times by the top. 1 times 3 is 2. So it's 2. X to the 2.
Yeah. Come on. And now we combine all that in the equation.
Same.
So it's 5y6 to the power of 6.
Wait, hold on. No, you don't need to combine it. Wait, you put 25.
Or is it 25? Yeah, it's 25.
25 y is to the 6 over 4
x squared.
I think that's it, innit?
Yeah.
Well done, boys.
A bit hot, but you know,
Bruh.
thank you, sir.
You have passed this class.
Thank you.
Burley.
Jeez.